Hi, I'm Abby Eon, GM and SVP of PTC's Kepware business, and I'm excited to share a global furniture manufacturer's journey with Kepware. They leveraged Kepware to connect disparate IT and OT devices and systems, and ultimately to automate processes for efficiency, compliance, and quality. So these are outcomes we hear every day, and these are things manufacturers are striving for. But oftentimes, these initiatives, whether they're for automation or insights, they stall or they fail. And that's because these companies lack an OT data strategy. So digital transformation, it demands data, and without data, nothing else can happen. Analytics, AI initiatives, process automation, quality, compliance, each of these efforts is only successful with high quality data. And it's data that's reliably at the right place and at the right time with as much context as possible. So in so many of these initiatives, what we're seeing, rather than a foundational aspect of a project, the source of data is mostly overlooked. And the plan for systems integration, it's underestimated, it's underscoped, and it's under-resourced. So rather than a concentrated effort, most often the OT data strategy isn't a strategy at all, it's an afterthought. So, of course, you're not gonna have anything to contextualize or process if you don't have the data itself. And anyone who has done this knows how connecting to OT data sources can be difficult. So, oftentimes these integrations are resulting in many point-to-point connections, they're disparate, there's different data collection software, you might have OPC servers, you might have proprietary systems, and there's workstation databases, and most of the time, those are insecure protocols. Those devices were never designed to be secure, and they're being used between internal network segments. So things become very complex very quickly, and it becomes very difficult to maintain and extremely difficult to secure. Creating a standardized layer of industrial connectivity creates that OT data foundation. And it eliminates the need for all of these point-to-point integrations to these devices. It also reduces the load on PLCs because PLCs were never designed to be a communication server. They have a job to do. So it's going to reduce the load on your PLCs. It's going to make the data accessible for IT and OT systems. And ultimately, it's going to make it easier to maintain and to secure that bottom part of the OT network. Standardizing industrial connectivity is the foundation for digital transformation, whether that initiative is for automation, for insights, or for both. Kepware Plus is our solution for standardized connectivity across the enterprise. It includes the broadest and most widely used device connectivity portfolio in the world. It has seamless data aggregation and light data contextualization through advanced tags. And it has secure IT and OT data, whether it's SCADA, MES, Historian, the cloud, many more applications. And now, Kepware Plus offers new enterprise configuration and management for remote system configuration and monitoring. So now, let's hear from HNI, a global commercial furnishing and building products company. This case study explores how they accessed and integrated data from a wide range of legacy and modern devices, and they bridged the gap between old and new systems with real-time data flow to ultimately successfully automate processes to enhance product quality, ensure compliance, and improve operational efficiency. So you're going to hear about the technical challenges they faced, the solutions provided by Kepware, and the value of standardizing connectivity at scale.
HNI's vision is to enhance the places where people live, work, and gather. We are a global office furniture and residential building products manufacturer. As the Senior Digital Business Manager for Manufacturing, my role is to coordinate activities between our IDT, or Information Data and Technology groups, and our OT groups, the Operational Technology team. Manufacturing at HNI is a mixture of both high volume, low complexity products, as well as low volume, high complexity, configured direct to the customer's expectations. HNI has a list of metrics that we use to monitor and control our manufacturing processes. Those metrics are monitored daily, weekly, and monthly to review and create corrective actions to increase the performance of those metrics. The data is the ultimate truth when it comes to manufacturing. We're currently looking to get more data connectivity to our systems from our machines to our business analytics team. We're trying to improve those metrics through the use of data collection and analysis. The key to automating our manufacturing processes is the collection and distribution of the data. We have to be able to take customer order information, process that to our equipment and through our machines on a daily basis. Industrial connectivity tools allow us to connect and collect data from a multitude of different manufacturers, different machines, and different processes throughout our manufacturing facilities. Without the collection and use of this data, we would not be able to drive our initiatives on quality, safety, cost, and delivery. Many of the devices and machines that we pull data from today have been in our operations for multiple years. The data was there before and was localized, and maybe was pulled by certain individuals to drive manufacturing processes. With the use of Kepware, we're able to collect all that information into a central location and use standardized analytics to help drive our operational excellence. At HNI, we trust Kepware as our industrial connectivity tool because we've been able to connect to a multitude of different devices, not only within one facility, but across the organization at multiple plants, multiple vendors, and multiple locations. Without the use of Kepware, we would have been unable to put in many of the automation projects that have been large capital investments over the past 10 years. We also would not have been able to improve our quality standards and our ability to deliver product to the customer exactly what they ordered when they wanted it.
Big thank you to Dale Tetmeyer from HNI for sharing their stories and setting an example for the industry. To close, standardizing connectivity is critical for fast access to insights and getting the data when you need it. Lowering the total cost of ownership. You have one vendor, all of your data, regardless of which machine or line or facility. And finally, industrial connectivity and secure protocols are just a critical aspect for OT cybersecurity. So Kepware has a 30-year legacy of best-in-class industrial connectivity solutions. And we're uniquely positioned to enable connectivity at scale because of our ability to connect to virtually any device, regardless of who manufactured that device. And it's proven by our ability to connect to devices across all industry verticals. And it's proven by our ability to help customers all across the globe. We're also uniquely positioned to share that data amongst your IT and OT systems because we're interoperable. So to close, Kepware is a trusted brand. More than 75 of the top 100 manufacturers, according to ABI, trust Kepware. So look to Kepware Plus and its included Kepware Server and Enterprise Management Tool to provide the best-of-breed data access layer for OT and IT systems and enjoy the considerable benefits of our long-standing world-class products, world-class support, and most importantly, world-class people. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the field.